Using EndNote with word processing software on your computer. As well as being a tool to store and organize your references, EndNote will also work with Word or Pages to create a fully formatted bibliography from the references in your EndNote library. It is recommended that you open EndNote first before opening your Word or Pages document. The EndNote tab should then appear in the top toolbar or menu of the document. You can now start inserting and formatting references in your document. Select EndNote from the toolbar at the top. Check that the referencing style selected is the one you require. Position the cursor in the text where would you like the citation to appear. Select Go to EndNote in the toolbar and select a reference from within your EndNote library. Then click on the Insert Citation action icon, which looks like a quotation mark symbol. Notice both the citation and full reference now appear in your document. Simply repeat this process to continue to add references. Again, position the cursor in your document, go to EndNote, and select a reference from your library, and click on the Insert Citation icon. Repeat as required. An alternative method is to position the cursor in the text where you would like the citation to appear, and instead select the Insert Citation icon. If the references in your bibliography appear slightly indented, simply highlight the references. Then choose Home from the top toolbar in your document and select the Normal style. If you then wish to add more references, remember to reselect the EndNote tab in the top toolbar. Once a reference is within your Word document, if you wish to make any changes or edit the reference, then it is recommended that you edit the reference from within your EndNote library. Then go back to your Word document and simply click on Update Citations and Bibliography